liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll have the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, as it is a plethora of goodies that I post every single week. And also, Instagram is a great way for you to reach out to me. So reach out to me and send me your pictures of your wigs, your DIY projects, your makeup. I want to know what you're up to. So reach out to me. I'm in this room, and since it's my shoe room, and since I've actually opened it up by cleaning it, I was like, you know, I need a mirror for when I'm actually putting on my shoes with my outfit, because I literally wear these heels every single day of my life and I love it. So I was like, I need a mirror. And of course I was like, should I just get like one of those tall mirrors? And I was like, Carly, you have so much stuff. Like, be resourceful, semi-resourceful. So I have this mirror, and I'm like, let's do something fun with it. So this is actually something that I've never done before, and I hope that it works out. You know it's gonna work out great. So of course, this is a DIY project where literally this whole project will just cost a couple of dollars, because I literally almost have everything. I did of course go to my staple, Dollar Tree, and pick up some essentials that I will need for this project, and also plaster of Paris from Michael's, which I got for $4 with the coupon. So let's roll out of everything we're gonna need for this project. All right, here we are with the items we will need for the transformation of the mirror project, which I'll just scroll over right here. Hey, so here's this mirror, of course, which I will be redoing to a beautiful, vintage, girly, fun, glam town little area. So what will we need for this project? So like I said, I've never done this before. I have the plaster of Paris, which I did get from Michael's. It was like $6 something, and then with the 40% off coupon, it came to be $3.89. So get that coupon. I actually already had this Rust-Oleum flat white paint. By all means, choose any color you'd like. I actually thought maybe I don't want a white, maybe I'd want an off-white, but I'm gonna roll with the white paint because I already have it. And then also, since the plaster of Paris, I believe, is actually like an off-white when it actually dries. And then also, these beads right here are also, let me just bring this down here so you can see. These beads are actually from the Dollar Tree. I had spray painted them for a different project that I never did, so I've just been holding on to them, waiting for a project, and today is the day. So these are actually, I believe it was called Country White, these beads. So I'm actually gonna wrap the frame around. I'm gonna wrap, I don't know how much I'm gonna go, but I'm gonna put them all the way around here after I spray this white. So I'm gonna spray this white and put those off-colored white beads over them, and then the star of the show, these silk flowers, or I don't even know if they're really silk, from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. I don't know flower etiquette, but so these are from the Dollar Tree. I just literally picked these up. So I just picked up whatever I wanted, like whatever I thought would be fun and girly and real soft and delicate, of course. These peonies are generally always, you know, a pretty coveted flower when it comes to girly things. So I picked up 5 packs of these, and then I picked up 2 packs of the roses. So we'll see how far I get, or like what I end up doing with that, but I'm really excited to do this, so here we go. Okay, so I have the mirror outside. So I actually put it on this drying rack, so I wanted it lifted because I just want to spray it once, and I want to spray all sides, as you can see here. So what's actually really great about spraying on a mirror is that if you do get any paint on the mirror, you can just scrape it off with a razor blade. But I do have actually wax paper and painter's tape that I just kind of put all around, literally just trying to prevent a little bit, but honestly I know I'm gonna get some in the glass, but so easy to correct with a razor blade. So let's get spraying. Okay, coat 1. I just did a pretty good coat on this. Then I'm gonna let it dry and of course spray it lightly one more time. Okay, so I have kind of prepped my area, mise en place if you will. So I have cut all the flowers off of the stems or off the bunches. They say to leave about 2 to 3 inches of the stem. So I have them laid out on wax paper here. So I have my whole area ready. So I know I have enough room for all of this. And they also say to save some of the leaves for dipping as well. So I have a couple of these. We'll see if I use them. So the plaster of Paris. So I have the plaster of Paris in this bowl or container vase thing here, which is going to be thrown out. So this is actually from a baby shower. So I've actually just never took to the Goodwill. So I have 3 cups of plaster of Paris in here. So it's 2 parts to 1 part cold water. So I have 3 cups of plaster of Paris to 1.5 cup of cold water. I'm going to be stirring it, and then because they say only mix as much as you can use in 6 to 10 minutes as it will harden. So we gotta work quickly, people. So honestly, this vase is actually key for doing this project, as you will be dipping and then spinning those flowers all around to remove the excess of the plaster of Paris and putting them down. There they are. Okay, it is the next day. I have them all down here. They're all dried. So, of course, they're not perfect naturally. So because I did lay them down, I had seen examples where people just laid them, and I didn't like that because it seemed like the flower flattened. But it feels like the best case scenario for these drying is that if you had like a clothesline or some sort of apparatus where you could actually clothespin them up, that would probably be the best, because they would not do this at the bottom. But other than that, they're really cute. And then also, I think I was thinking the whole thing would be like a light white, but looks like I am just gonna quickly spray them with white. Since these flowers were kind of like a, you know, this kind of pinky orange delicate, this actually isn't bad of a color, like, since I'm kind of going with that look, but I actually want it to be a little bit more white than showing some of this pinky peach through. So definitely when you're choosing flowers, so like you can see the yellow through here, like if you were wanting some of those tones to kind of like come through, definitely choose the colors that would be best for a little bit of, you know, the sneak peek, if you will, of color. So I am gonna just touch these up with the white paint, just gonna spray them real easily and go from there. All right, preparing for a little bit of fun with, of course, your trusty hot glue gun and plenty of sticks. Make sure you have those handy. And then, so I have a lot of my beads out here, and this is kind of where you can have fun. I think I'm going to put 1 bead here and then 1 bead here. As much as I want to just cover this thing with beads, I'm trying to be not so crazy. But this is also really great, like if you want to add like a really neat ribbon or rhinestones. I really thought about adding rhinestones, and maybe I will. So I'll just start with this, and then if I feel like I want to add something cool, by all means do it. I've even seen like right in the middle, which would be really great if you're looking for that kind of antique look, a line of lace right here, and then putting this. That would be so pretty. Just like that, very easily, she is all finished with a simple set of beads. So now we will prepare for the flowers. Back to the flowers again. So what I've done is cut off the stems as close as I could to the very bottom right here, and then I didn't cut all of them. I kind of like the misfitty ones I just saved and put to the side. So I didn't cut those. And then again, another trusty piece here. You will use this E6000. I actually already have this. I'll leave the link down below from Amazon. I think it's like $5 or $6 for this tube, which is, I know, a miracle worker. So now I'm just going to go to the mirror and kind of place them on. Okay, so I've actually placed 3 of them down, and I have glued the little ends of the flowers onto the mirror, and they're kind of supporting each other as well, because the bottoms, if you can really cut down or get rid of that green bottom, like it's definitely hard for them to stand, as you can see. Maybe next time if I do this, I'll take off this green part. I don't know if I can do that though, but we'll just see. But honestly, they're kind of supporting each other since this is kind of pointed like that. Okay, so I've actually placed the 5 flowers, I believe, exactly how I want them. Now, also something to think about, since this is sitting down and it will be propped up, that I definitely want the flowers to be up versus slanted down. So I just placed this paper towel here, so that will help while I'm gluing it, while it's gluing, to kind of stay up versus coming down, giving a little bit of support. By all means, you can use like cotton pads or something, whatever you want. But this is, I think, what I'm gonna do right here. I think it looks pretty good. So it's another day, another wig. That's right. So do check out this wig review that I did. I'll leave the link down below for that. But right behind me is the new girl. Wow, look at her. Yes, I turned off the lights in here because it's killing my vibe. But look at how beautiful and honestly simple, which is really, as we all know, simple is not normally my look. But this is gorgeous, and I really love how it turned out. So I will probably be plastering the rest of my life. So of course, I thank you all so very much for watching and leaving me a comment down below, including follow me on Instagram down here. Of course, the link is down below, where you will see all my upcoming videos, and a great way for you to reach out to me and show me your DIY projects, your makeup, and your wigs, and literally anything else that is all about positivity and having fun. Because remember, it is your absolute right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So, when in doubt, be fabulous.